Soul Steel's hype box, $500. You guys already know what it is. You already know what it is. Stay tuned.
Summertime weather is better, but not enough. I'm hot enough. Baby, I'm hot enough. Wanna catch a fever, wanna be a believer. Hot enough.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another Soul Steel's Hype Beast mystery box unboxing. Woo, that was a mouthful. Anyway, this box is $500, and like I said, it is from SoulSteels.com. If you guys have never heard of Soul Steels, which I'm sure all of you have by now, Soul Steels is actually a membership website where you spend $19.99 a month to buy hype boxes like this, very discounted sneakers, a lot of like Hypebeast clothing and stuff is on there too. It's just a great place to find a lot of steals and deals on there. They got a lot of cool stuff going on. They got like mystery tees sometimes, they got mystery sneakers on there sometimes. It's a good mix of stuff, so I definitely check it out. Link will be in the description below. But anyway, this box is what you guys came here for. It is a $500 mystery box. We've been doing a lot of thousands, and thousands are always good, but it's good to see some of the lower tier, which it's not really lower. I mean, 500 is still a lot of money. That's like a lot of money. But yeah, so it's good because it's more manageable. So we'll see how the value is, and yeah, let's open it up. All right, let's put this over here. This is an interesting box. First things first, we got a Super Supreme tee, which we've seen a lot of already. Super Supreme in a size large. And yeah, on the back it has like a mini Supreme box logo right there. We get the same color a lot too. I know that these shirts come in different colors, but for some reason we've gotten the red every single time. But there's decent value there, so it's not bad. And what's nice about these boxes is that all of the items are brand new, unworn, so in case you don't like what you got, you could always sell it and, you know, get some money back on the box. So that's a good thing. I guess we'll save the shoe for last. Next up, we got this Supreme shirts. Never seen this before. Ugh, this is vibrant. It's vibrant. See over here, it says, I guess you can kind of see over here. It says Supreme going across and then New York underneath. I'm not good with stripes, so I don't know if I can wear this. What do you guys think? Better than the Untied merch? I don't know about that. Hopefully there's some decent value. You guys can see the value up there on the screen. And yeah, speaking about merch, we're gonna have a restock on these shirts soon. I did not realize how fast like the bigger sizes would sell out. They sold out way too fast. So doing a restock of these soon, and there's also gonna be another design like coming out very soon. So stay tuned for that. Small merch plug. It's over. Back to the box. All right, we got like two more items in here. This next one looks like some kind of hoodie. A tan hoodie? What is this? Okay. Oh, okay. So we got the Illegal Business Controls America hoodie. So that's kind of cool. Never seen this in person before. Pretty nice design. I mean, this was from like, I think week 1 drop. So yeah, it's kind of old now. Kind of like this piece though. And I know that there's great value on these Illegal Business hoodies, especially if you got like those black or red ones. So I'm not sure how much the tan one goes for, but I'm assuming it's a pretty good amount. So far, so good. And lastly, we got a Jordan 4 box. This one is in a size 11. What? All right, and we got a pair of the Travis Scotts. That's pretty cool. So Travis Scott 4s. These just came out too, man. So I'm surprised to see these in the hype box. They must have had like a lot of stock in these. But Travis Scott 4s, you guys already know what it is. There's actually really solid value on these. I think it's like over $300 still. So that's more than half the price of the box with one shoe. And again, it's dead stock, so it sells really fast. As for me, I think I'm gonna hold on to these for a little bit because I do think that the value is gonna go up over time. Just because it's a collab shoe, and I mean, Travis Scott stock is like literally only going up. Travis Scott 4s, really nice piece. And yeah, that's a dope pickup. I was not expecting Scott 4s in here, man. But actually, I've realized that a lot of the shoes that are in these boxes are shoes that are pretty popular right now in the moment. So these hype boxes have actually been really nice in terms of profit because, I mean, these shoes are still hyped. Obviously, for most of them, if you hold them for a like set amount of time, like a lot of the Jordan 1s that we got, I'm still holding on to those just because I feel like Jordan 1s are one of those stocks where, you know, it only rise over time. So there's no really big rush for me to sell it. And I think the Travis Scott 4s are another one of those shoes. So yeah, hoping we got some great value on this box though. I definitely think that it was good. Just the hoodie and the Travis Scott 4s by themselves, I already know is more than $500 for sure, so that's good. Man, Soul Steel's hype boxes are the best. They have never let me down yet. I don't know if they ever will. But if you guys are interested in these boxes, be sure to check the link in the description, soulsteels.com. And it's been one of the best investments for me. I mean, honestly, I only got the membership just for the chance to get these hype boxes, and ever since then, it's been well worth it. It's been well worth it. But let me know what value box you guys want to see next. Like, I know the thousands are the most, well, the 2000s, when they do have those boxes out, are obviously the best because you can get so much different variety of stuff in there. The thousands, I feel like, are what we've seen the most on this channel. But if you guys want to see the 750s, you guys want to see more of these 500s, you guys want to see more of the 250s, let me know in the comments below. I'm open to target whatever you guys really want to see in case you guys want to try to buy them, because they can be very profitable. And like I said, these are way easier to move than beater boxes just because it's all dead stock stuff. So it flies off the shelves. Like if you wanted to sell everything right now, I could literally put it up online and they would sell right now. So that's cool about it. Let me know what you guys want to see though in the comments below. Thank you guys again for watching, but until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha.
Shoots.